Hi guys, welcome to Chocolate Joy Sparkles. This is my little sister Sarah and this is my brother Ben. Today we're going to be showing you how to make slime. First we're going to need cornstarch, food coloring, spoons, marshmallows, and olive oil. First we're going to need some marshmallows. Now we're going to need some oil. Now we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Now we're gonna take out the marshmallows, and this is what it will look like. Now we're gonna need some food coloring. Now we're gonna mix it.
Whoa! Whoa! That's so pretty!
Here's how it looks like. Now we're gonna need a bigger bowl, and now we need 3 scoops of cornstarch.
Whoa! Cornstarch!
And now we're gonna put the marshmallows inside.
Whoa!
And now we're gonna put 1 more spoon on top.
Now mix!
And now you're gonna mix it with your hands.
It's so goopy.
And this is how it will look like. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.